Riri thirikari yambiriirie mihango ya gwikirira mathako ma macindano ma drama na thenema kuona uyu ni undu gukorwo na uguni munene kuri arutwo rungu rwa mathomo ma CBC. Arutwo ni moritio kuoerera mieke ino na uritu. Akiaria thukuru-ini wa EMBU University kuria macindano ma drama na thenema marathie na mbere, murugamiriri munene wa KICD Prof CHERLES augite ni mambiriirie kurutithania wira na ruhonge ruria ruramataga macindano ma drama na thenema guku bururi-ini na itanya ria kugacirithia githomo gia CBC.
During this festival, we are partnering with the Kenya National Drama and Film Festival because we regard drama as a curriculum activity, and because of that, right now from pre-primary level up to senior school, drama, music and visual arts have been put together into a learning area called creative arts.
Ongondo augite unyitaniri uyu ni undu guteithiririo na arutani kuhota gukuranaga IHEO itiganite iria arutwo mangikorwo nacio niguo makambiriria kuhariririo o tene.
In relation to the festival here, as the learners are pursuing the creative arts as a learning area, as we go to grade 10, the beginning of senior school, we have already identified that those children who are interested in the performing arts pathway will be able to go to visual arts if that's what they want to do. They will be able to go to music and dance. Others will be able to go to theater and film. The curriculum designs are ready. What we are working on now are the curriculum support materials.
Muikariri giti wa ruhonge ruru rwa macindano ma drama na thenema Professor Christopher Odhiambo augite arutwo aria mari junior secondary mari na mweke wa gwikurana kuona ni mari hotaga kuonania kiria marathomithio ni arutani yao, no na riria kwagia na macindano arutwo ni mari hotaga guthoma maundu maingi kuma icigo-ini itiganite cia bururi.
There seems to be more passionate. If you watch them performing, you wouldn't realize that they are supposed to be ideally primary kids, but they seems to have a new consciousness about what they want to do and how they want to do it, which is what we want, because that is the only way we can guide them then to realize that this is something that is important for them.
Grade 8, which is the second class of junior school. In 2025, we are at grade 9. Kenya Institute of Curriculum Development, we have already developed the curriculum for not only the junior school, but even up to senior school. So when the learners come to senior school in 2026, the curriculum that they are going to pursue is ready. Right now, what we are doing is beginning to work on the curriculum support materials, which includes books.
Gerifotera Kameme TV ni ejitagwo Wagoi wa Muiruri.